So if your StockX order is not processing in 2026, yeah, like it's stuck on pending or won't confirm, don't worry. This is usually fixable in a few simple steps. First, refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes the order status just needs a quick update. Next, make sure your internet is stable. A weak connection can stop your order from processing properly. Now check your payment method. If your card or PayPal didn't go through, the order will stay stuck. Next, check your email for a confirmation message. Sometimes the order is waiting for verification. Now make sure your StockX app or browser is updated. Old versions can cause processing delays. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy because StockX may block or delay orders from unusual locations. Now check if StockX is having server issues. If their system is down, orders may stay stuck temporarily. If nothing works, contact StockX support and provide your order details so they can fix it manually. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX order not processing step by step in 2026.